This is the trace since 2023 May till nowadays, the trace of my business travels with carrying out one order from General George Patton. Duty is the essence of manhood. Well, this journey all begins by traditional education lead. 读万卷书，不如行万里路；行万里路，不如阅人无数。Just cross the border and now heading to crossing the other border of the entry. Let's begin this journey. Alright, now I'm on board the national bus. So it's like 2 hours heading to Almaty. Whew, hope this journey will be fantastic. So right now, I'm in the Malti train station and get ready to on board. Oh my god, 56 hours train journey. Whew. So right now I'm on board the train and this place looks very, I would like to say, easy to fold it. To be honest, it's keep it simple, stupid. For me, it's really acceptable and reminded me a lot of memory when I was a very kiddo. Quite like passing the time. First of all, I totally understood that if I want a luxurious travel, I'll take the flight or other transportation. But since I decided to make this challenge for myself or the public transportation, so I choose this train. So for the whole process, I purchased ticket. Everything's fantastic, and I went to the ticket office in the train station, and the ladies working there is really warm. I feel very happy and feel like I'm at home. So even for this train, sorry, my limited knowledge, I would like to say it's quite like ex-Soviet Union vibes in the train system. I just feel it's like tough, but quite cozy too. Even right this moment, I got my berth and had outlet, everything for charging the phone, laptop, everything good. And also the train attendants over us the coffee. I feel very happy. Well, of course, for my personally, when I was in China, since I was grow up, I experienced and witnessed the train system changed in my country from the old school, like 18th centuries, the steam powered train, and then till nowadays, the bullet train system, and also experienced the TGV in France. Used in the old days, used to consider as the world fast and most advanced train system, and then Japan bullet train system, and nowadays. So I'm a lucky guy. From my 30 years of personal history, I witnessed the train system and technology changed. I'm really lucky as a person, as a nobody, witnessed so much in such a life. So really hope this journey going to be fantastic. So 56 hour on the train. Hey guys, morning. So now officially I begins my journey. I would like to say that's my original idea to make or to bring crossing the mountains and the seas into reality. So as an event, I would like to say that is crossing the Eurasian continent. So for this journey, I was got an idea. It's actually like impossible for myself. Hey guys, good morning. Today's the day two of the train journey, 56 hours train. And tomorrow morning around 7:20 local time, I arrive we can say the west point of Kazakhstan, the whole country. Cannot believe, really, for me, it's really like shocking. This morning when I wake up around 4 o'clock something, I get outside the train. It was snowing everywhere. You can have a look outside. So actually, right now it's springtime, but here is like winter still. So I can imagine during the summertime, if I took the train again to see the landscape, it would be looks like the very beautiful grassland. It must be very, very special. So before I begin this journey, a lot of local people suggest me, oh, better you come here during the summertime. But since I'm already here, so I know one thing. What I'm going to see is the winter time viewing. And for me, this is also very, very unique and special viewing, and also very beautiful. So from winter angle to see the beauty of this land is fantastic. Go and have a look about the train station. So that's a small town. Sorry, I don't know the Russian language. So this is the train. Fantastic. Ah, so for the food price, everything is a little bit way much higher than China part. So just like this Coca-Cola, oh, 2 liter, cost me like 1,000 local currency, approximately like $2. Compared to Europe, this is good price. Cool train for me. So we're waiting for passengers. I'm heading out. Seems a little bit rainy. Yoo-hoo! A new village. Yeah. So tomorrow, local time 6:10 something, arrive the west point of this country. So personally, the experience, my stay in Kazakhstan is so far so good. And especially this train journey, I feel very, very peaceful and relaxed. And it's quite like an adventure for me. First, I need to get used to a totally new environment. Second, need to facing the language barrier. And third, the terrain and climate change. So some part is looks like spring already. Some part is like a frozen winter. You see from the video stuff. So I feel very happy, and during the journey, security is okay. For me, it's fantastic. And also met some very warm local people. I do have some Russian friends. They also suggest to me when we know each other, sharing knowledge about their culture to me. So I also sense that part about Russian culture. So it's like Mr. Heyman was saying, we spent years to learn how to speak, but the whole life to learn how to close the mouth. The same thing I learned from that. So close the mouth, using the heart to talk. So always with the warm heart. So just lucky. All right, get off the train now. So arrived Mangistu. Ah, so in front of there is the Experience Sea. So let's go to figure out. Woo-hoo! I think from this direction to do a conclusion of this 56-hour train journey, conclusion, it's more polite. I would consider this train journey as the romantic Kazakhstan as a traveler's point of view. For respect the local railway system, which I learned in my country, so I didn't feel me too much. I highly recommend to people if you want to travel crossing the Eurasia continent from the direction of east to the west. You can also take the 56-hour train journey from Kazakhstan as an optional. from my eyes, I saw a picture. A freezing wind blows. The snowflake is falling. The train forwards in silence, like the horse crossed the frozen endless land under the full moon.